again, everybody. I'm Scott. This is Melissa. Welcome to RV Rolling with MJ. Today we want to talk about our newest addition to the family. It's the XR Elite Scooter made by Gotrax. Scooters are very important to us. Number one reason is probably we don't have a tow car. So what we try to use is other things beside the tow car. So we use e-bikes and scooters. So in order to get maximum distance, we got a new XR Elite, which gives us about 18 miles of distance. So first I want to do is unbox it, then I want to assemble it, and then I'll do a little review of it. So in the box, we have a little quick start guide to start with. First thing we have is part of the handlebar, which is right here. This is the power cord. So there's two pieces to that. This is in here. We have, this is to put air in the tire, and this is a Allen wrench, which is the only wrench you're going to need to construct this scooter. Alright, this is most of the scooter is already fussed together for you. And the other thing is the actual user manual. And that's all we have in the box. Without Melissa here today, I'm left to tell you all to subscribe. Share the video. Do anything you want with the video. Just get it out there, watch it, do whatever you want. And as we get more equipment for the RV, we will share that with you. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to assemble it is to raise up the main bar. So to do that, all you do is you press down here, it disengages the handlebar, and that'll lock it in place. Put the kickstand on. Take this off. We'll kind of get this ready for after. This is the two-piece power outlet. Plugs into your normal outlet here. So all you do is you connect it like so, and you're ready to go. I'll show you this after. As I said, there's only really two screws that you need to put this together. You remove this. This hook is what clasps onto here so that you can put this down and then carry it around like so. So what you do is we take this off, these screws off. Don't lose these screws, very important. You would take this one off. Put that here for now. And this comes out. In here is all the mechanism that you're going to hook the cable onto, so we'll put that here for now. So this is the piece we are going to add. Comes with a bell, as you can see. It's going to go in there. So as you can see here, there's three connections. 1, 2, and 3. And here, there are 3 connections. So what you're going to do is connect this to here. Very simple, plugs right in. 1. The other one goes into here. And there. Now we basically put everything back in and line up the screws. And then you put the screws back. then you screw this back on. Believe it or not, there's only one thing to do left. That is to connect. This is the brake. So what you do is you open that up. This gets plugged into here, and this is all on the, you can actually, it's in the manual. Put that in there, and then just pull it around here, and then it clips right in there, just like so, and your brake works, and that's pretty much it. So you are fully assembled, and the great thing about this, the reason I know is we used to have an earlier version when it first came out. This is great. It plugs right into the outlet to charge it, and to charge it, by the way, you simply, right here, there's a little plug for this. Goes into there. It takes about 4 hours to charge. This plugs into the wall. On here, there's a light. When it's green, that means it's fully charged. When it's red, that means it's not charged. So you plug this in for 4 hours. Like I said, it gives you about 18 miles of usage, and it takes about 4 hours to charge. Some of the features it has a light that you could put on. It has a bell. This didn't have a bell on the earlier version. Also didn't have a brake here. It had instead, there was a brake switch here. And if you can see, so over here, it will tell you how much battery you have left. Tells you how fast you're going. I think this can go up to 15.5 miles an hour. When I was younger, like a year ago, I could go that fast. Now I don't know if I'll go that fast. This is the accelerator. So when you put on this and you're fully charged, right now it doesn't have any charge, you'll go, and this is the stop. The prior version I had, this would go, and then you'd go the other way to stop it. It's just as good. I'm sure this is great. And I think one of the things we have to do is we have to remove this, and we remove this other one here. What that'll do is, has the light, so the light will show. This is a reflector, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So to close it, looks like they have this little mechanism nowadays. So this gets pulled out, and then this folds down. I should take this off. And then it goes like this. It clips in, and then you can just carry this around if you needed to, just like this. And you can put this, store this in your RV. Alright, so like I said, about 4 hours charge time. Once you get it charged, if you look over here, so you press that button on, and if you can see it's 0, that's the speed. The 4 bars represent the different levels. So we're 4 bars full, and we're gonna take this on. So all you do is you put up the kickstand, and it's on, and we're ready to go. And that's it. So until next time, we will see you down the road.